Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access the old runway in a Dress and Press game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm in the free play mode of Dress and Press, and if you want to access the old runway, you're going to open up this menu and you'll see the walk the runway option. You're going to select that, and then you're going to choose the old runway that you want to access. There are Valentine's runway, winter, pedal, summer, gothic, and forest, and you can choose the old runway that you want to use. I'm going to choose, for example, the forest. Okay, and then you're going to click on confirm, and it will bring you to the forest runway. Oh, I think this is from the Wicked update. Wow, that's super beautiful. And you can also do some poses here, and you can dress according to the runway. Okay, and you can take a pic here, guys, if you want. And if you want to end it, just click on the end button. And if you want to access more runways, just go back to the walk the runway feature and select the runway that you want to apply or that you want to access. Okay, guys, and that's how you can access the old runway in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.